recycling turns things into another things, like magic. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope everyone is doing good. Today, we are recycling discarded car tires into a tire seat. We got 2 tires from a local garage washed and sun-dried. We are fixing both the tires together with nuts and bolts, for which we need to drill 4 holes on each, making sure the holes of the first and second tire are aligned correctly for the bolts to pass through them. For the seat's base, we are cutting a plywood in round shape of 2 feet in diameter, which is our tire's diameter. And to make a perfect circle on the plywood, we are using a cardboard here to act as a drafting compass. We have cut the cardboard of about 13 inches and making 2 tiny holes on both the ends, which are 1 feet apart, as this is the radius of our seat base. And here we have a perfectly round plywood base. We are also cutting this foam in the same diameter of our plywood base for cushioning. To match our tire seat with the sofa, we got this honeycomb pattern fabric from the same fabricator who made our sofa, cutting it about 5 inches larger than the seat base. Sewing it to avoid tear and wear of the fabric edges after fixing it to the seat. at the bottom of the plywood to make sure the seat fits the tire and does not move while sitting. We are covering the tires with an used clothes. Any fabric can be used of your choice. Here we are using a night dress made of stretchable fabric. Tied a knot on the top. Made a cut at the end to pass a thread. Let's dress the tires. Pull back the strings and tie them securely. whenever needed, this cover can be removed, washed and reused. Voila! Our movable, comfortable tire seater is ready, providing us an extra seating without occupying much space. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button and do not forget to share. And remember, to be our front seat audience, do not forget to subscribe our channel. Bye bye. See you soon.